Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality in the world. The Monster Beetle. He looks right at home next to a real bug, as you can see, with the vintage styling.
Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. Today I have the Tamiya Monster Beetle. We're gonna take it for a spin. This beauty is running on a 2S, and I have one of them old sport tune black motors in it. This should be fun. Let's give it a go. She looks like a beauty. She sure looks like a beauty. Woohoo, it's ripped. Beetle beauty! Whoa! Spunky dip now! Thing's a beauty. She's screaming with that black motor. Look at her rip! Oh, it's a windy day out here! Woo! Beauty go! It's windy out, cold as hell, but I'm loving the Monster Beetle beauty. That black motor's ripping on 2S. Woo! Woo! Perfect sand. The sand, guys, is perfect. It's kind of hard on the top because it's got cooler out. See how hot this motor gets. Feels good. Let's rip it. Monster Beetle. She's a beauty. We'll have to throw in a little Tamiya guy for the fun of it. Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality in the world. The Monster Beetle. Look at those big monster tires ripping into the earth. 4-wheel independent suspension on the ORV chassis. She's a stunner. She's a beauty. Look at the handling. Woo! Tamiya! Let's take her off-road into the grass and see how them shocks act. Whoa. Going up here on this tarmac. Turning her in. There goes the Monster Beetle.
She goes good in the grass. You can take her anywhere. Let's see if we can jump this beauty. I love this thing. One of the coolest bugs ever. Ooh. Let's take her somewhere else. Onto the rocks. She looks right at home next to a real bug, as you can see, with the vintage styling. Throw rocks right at the finish of the real one. Dude don't care. That's a piece of crap anyway. Oh, I do indeed. I probably lost some rear license plates. Oh, still intact, but a big harsh scratch. Let's bring it over here. I don't want to ruin it. I like it in the ball field. Why am I talking like this? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this rip with the Monster Beetle Beauty. She's an awesome rig. If you don't have one, get one, put it together now. It's a beauty. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new watching, please subscribe. Hit that like button. It helps the channel out. Leave a comment. Also helps the channel out. Also, hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you next time, guys, with the Tamiya Monster Beetle. The humpback Monster Beetle. One of a kind styling. Let's hit it. Get out of here, guys.